What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you more examples regarding using polynomial multiplication and distributing property to multiply square roots. First example here we have is square root of 6 times square root of 2 plus root 18. The answer is root 6 times root 2 plus root 6 times root 18. So that makes it 6 times 2 is 12, and here 6 times 18 is 108. Then we start simplifying it. 12 is 4 times 3, and 108 is 36 times 3. We need to have the perfect square out of it. So square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 root 3, and here square root of 36 times square root of 3, which is, we know that square root of 36 is 6, so it's going to be 6 root 3. So 2 root 3 plus 6 root 3 is going to be 8 root 3. Next example. We have root 6 times 1 plus 3 root 6. The answer is 6 times 1 is root 6. Root 6 times 1 is root 6. And then root 6 times 3 root 6, which will be root 6 plus 3 times root 6 times root 6 is going to be just 6. It's going to be root 6 plus 18. Next example is root 12 plus root 3 plus root 24. Answer is, that's multiplication, sorry. Root 12 times root 3 plus root 24, which makes it root 12 times root 3 plus root 12 times root 24. I can change root 12 to root 4, so it's going to be root 4 times root 3 times root 3, because 12 is 4 times 3. I write it like that, and then root 3 is here. And root 12 times root 24, which will be 24 is 12 times 2, so I can write it like 12 times root 12 times root 2. So I changed 24 to 12 times 2. So root 3 times root 3 is going to be just 3, so it's going to be 3 root 4. Then we have root 12 times root 12, which is going to be 12 root 2. Then we can say root 4 is 2, so we have 3 times 2 is going to be 6 plus 12 root 2. Next example. We have root 8 times 2 minus 5 root 8. Answer is, it's going to be root 8 times 2 minus 5 root 8 times root 8. Root 8 is root 4 times root 2 times 2 minus 5. Root 8 times root 8 is going to be just 8. So we will have root 4 is going to be 2. Root 2 times 2 is going to be like that. Minus 5 times 8 is 40. So we have 4 root 2 minus 40. So one more time. We have root 8 times 2 minus 5 root 8 times root 8. Root 8 is root 4 times root 2, because 8 is 4 times 2. And square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times root 2 times 2, which is going to be 4 root 2. And here we had 5 times root 8 times root 8. Root 8 times root 8 is just 8. So it's going to be 5 times 8 is going to be 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.